I have to remember my water bottle, my laptop, my lunch, my backpack, and any of them. Not one, not bring any of them. Tomorrow, after school. Oh my gosh, how did I forget everything? I'm home. Guess what? You're never going to believe this. You forgot your backpack? How did you know? It's right there. And you forgot your water bottle, laptop, lunchbox, future. By the way, can ask Alex to remind you.
Yes?
Not now, Alex.
Okay, by the way,
No! You are a walking potato clock. Good job, Lois, for creating strategies to remind yourself. For everyday things, a checklist can be very helpful. The next day, I really hope Royce Bedoys brought his future form. Maker, did you call him to remind him? No, I thought you did. Great. I bet he forgot it. I bet he forgot everything again. Royce Bedoys! You remember your backpack! Yep, I also remember my laptop, lunch, and water. How? Easy. I repeat a checklist right before I leave. Laptop, lunch, water, pack, laptop, lunch, water, backpack, laptop, lunch, water, pack. That's a great strategy. I'm impressed. But you know, I forgot the future form. Booyah! For anything not on the checklist, I tape a note on the doorknob. That's just brilliant. Being forgetful is not an excuse.
Vroom, vroom. Good morning, class. Please get on the bus so we can get there on time.
Let's take turns coming up with the children's songs. Whoever can't come up with something loses.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Go for it, Royce Bedoys.
Down the slide, down, down, down. No going up. No, no, no. Down the slide, down, down, down. No going up. No, no, no.
What the hell was that, Royce Bedoys? That was not a kid sub, bro. Girl, you're just jealous for no reason. Feels like I have a best song ever with that rapper, bro.
30 minutes later.
We're here. I'll see you in 1 hour. Have fun.
Bro, what happened to Mighty Burger?
Boy, I don't know what's going on, bro. But maybe that was Stupid Hopper trying to be on the weight issue for no reason.
Wait, how do you know? We need to find out. Now. Look all the place.
I'm just about to go there.
No! I will be fine. Chill down. No. You're gonna be dead, bro.
What do you want?
I think Raspberry is missing.
Dude, for the last time, he is not missing. You need to touch some grass in the garden, bro. Look at the bright side.
Actually, I talked to stupid Raspberry's friends and said he is missing in the back rooms.
What do you mean the backrooms? The backrooms is not even real. I watched a movie of the backrooms and it's just CGI. Are you stupid?
For the last time, it's not CGI. I am promising the back rooms. Go to school. You gotta freaking believe me.
First of all, are you dumb or something? I just go to college. Stupid. Go to school anyways. Crush or whatever you want. Feels like someone steal your only brain. Not real! It's CGI! It's CGI!
Bro, I gotta know what the hell is wrong with here, bro. But I don't know, but I need to find a way to exit this nightmare, bro. We need to do things or furniture to make a house so survive in 1 week. Perfect. Now my house is more safer than before. What the actual fuck? Hello again. Hopper, why you not dead yet, bro? I thought you're in space right now. And why you look worser? Oh, I fell down in Mighty Burger and I found a wall. It has trespassed to the back rooms.
What the hell am I gonna do now of killing this psychopath?
And are you gonna say sorry or not? Yes.
After eating for many years, he began to love beef jerky more than painting. Oh! He realized...
Sorry, I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. It's okay, Royce Bedoys. That happens every time.
Lord Jesus, they have a great day or a great life they ever been before. A great baby, a great teenager for Hopper and Rosebud's evil twin. You will be missed. Amen. Now leave now.
Yeah, you think this is the end, like the part 2 or part 3 or part 4, 5, 6. Nah. What can possibly go wrong?